Welcome to SmartCart YouTube channel. We analyze customers' feedbacks and share insights into what real buyers are saying, helping you make informed purchasing decisions. Today's deep dive focuses on the Caraway mini cookware set in cream. And just a quick note before we get started, the product buy link is available in pinned comment and description. Also be sure to like, share, comment, and subscribe as we roll into the video. So picture this, like over 200 times a month, someone buys this specific cream-colored mini pan, despite the fact that putting it in a dishwasher will absolutely ruin it. So why are people, willingly abandoning modern convenience for this exact set?
Well, it really comes down to a fascinating shift in material science. Looking at the data, the massive appeal actually starts with what is not baked into the pan. We're looking at a complete absence of PTFE, PFOA, and PFAS.
Wait, let's translate that alphabet soup for a second. We're basically talking about the standard forever chemicals, right?
Exactly.
Like the synthetic plastics they usually use in traditional Teflon-style coatings that just break down under high heat.
Yeah, traditional nonstick surfaces rely heavily on those synthetic polymers. But Caraway replaces those with an FDA-approved ceramic-coated aluminum core. This means zero heavy metals, like lead or cadmium.
Oh, wow. Okay.
Yeah, so the peace of mind here is that even if you accidentally scratch the pan or say you push the temperature way too high, you aren't leaching toxic compounds into your scrambled eggs.
So traditional nonstick is essentially like wrapping your food in a slick layer of plastic that can degrade over time. Whereas the ceramic coating is more like, cooking on a perfectly polished microscopic sheet of glass.
That is a great way to put it.
That sounds great. But I do have a genuine question here. If we completely strip away all those industrial synthetic plastics, don't we lose that frictionless magic? Like, am I going to need a chisel to get my dinner off this thing?
No, you won't need a chisel at all. The science behind ceramic is actually brilliant. It naturally creates this microscopic topography that is just so incredibly smooth. Food proteins simply cannot form a chemical bond with the surface.
So nothing actually sticks to it.
Exactly. You only need the tiniest dab of oil or butter for a perfect, effortless glide. But honestly, the real mechanism driving the performance is actually the core beneath that ceramic.
Because the aluminum transfers heat so rapidly, right?
Precisely. Unlike cast iron, which acts like a thermal vault to hoard heat, aluminum is a fantastic heat conductor. It transfers thermal energy into your food almost instantly.
Got it.
And because of that efficiency, you really only ever need a low to medium flame. In fact, using high heat isn't just unnecessary, it will actually scorch and ruin the ceramic surface.
Well, good to know.
Yeah, and despite being ceramic, it's completely stovetop agnostic. It works seamlessly on gas, electric, and even induction ranges. Plus, it's oven safe up to a roaring 550 degrees Fahrenheit.
Wow, so it's highly efficient with heat transfer. But looking at its physical footprint, it seems designed for a very specific type of cook. We're talking about an 8-inch, 1.25-quart fry pan and a 1.75-quart saucepan.
Yeah, it's pretty tiny.
Right. That is the ultimate late-night mac and cheese for one setup.
It is highly specialized for sure. This is a solo setup, or maybe just for whipping up a quick side dish for two. You certainly aren't boiling pasta for a family of 5 in this thing.
Definitely not.
Which brings us to the maintenance reality of having such a specialized tool. It cooks beautifully, but there is a major catch for everyday use. As you hinted at earlier, it is emphatically not dishwasher safe.
Right, which is the elephant in the room here.
Yeah.
In an era where convenience is everything, volunteering to hand wash your pots every single night, well, it feels like a really big ask.
It is a deliberate trade-off.
Yeah.
The abrasive detergents and extreme heat of a dishwasher will just strip away that microscopic ceramic finish over time.
Makes sense.
However, because the surface naturally prevents proteins from bonding in the first place, hand washing doesn't mean heavy scrubbing. It literally just takes warm soapy water and a soft sponge. The food just glides right off.
Oh, okay. That's not so bad.
Yeah, and they even include a complimentary storage rack, which makes organizing those smaller kitchens and cabinets incredibly easy.
So you're essentially trading the machine for a 2-minute wipe down in the sink, just to guarantee a totally chemical-free meal.
It's a compelling exchange, and I think it leaves you with something interesting to ponder today, like, does investing in beautifully designed, meticulously engineered tools just for a single-person meal fundamentally change how we value our daily routines?
That's a really good point.
Right, like maybe cooking for one shouldn't be a lazy afterthought, but an experience actually worth upgrading.
You've been listening to SmartCart YouTube channel, where we help you make informed decisions. If you get any help from the video, then hit that red subscribe button showing below and press bell icon for future videos notifications. You can also visit this channel and watch other videos for more useful gadgets, one product review at a time. We'll catch you next time.